Hello, happy morning my lovely students. I know and I hope that all my students are healthy and safe at home and they are maintaining the hygiene. Okay students, I hope you have viewed the previous two videos of our 13th chapter, that is natural disaster. This video is our part 3. Okay students, so are you ready along with your textbooks in your hand? Just hold on. In previous video, we have covered our topic drought. Now, in this video, we will be starting with our topic, that is, how can we prevent drought, on page number 80. So, are you ready along with your pencil and notebook or textbook in your hand? Okay, students, let's start it. So, students, we have started with the topic drought. We have discussed what is drought. Drought is सूखा पड़ जाना. Or I can say the real meaning what is written in the textbook, that is, when there is a shortage of rainfall over a long period of time, there is known as drought. You can mark this as a definition of drought. Okay students? When there is a shortage of rainfall over a longer period of time, there is known as drought. Okay students? We have covered this topic. We have also come to know that during the drought, farmers face very difficulties because their livelihood is based on the agriculture, and agriculture is not possible without water. Now, let's move to our today's topic, that is, how can we prevent drought? We can prevent drought in the following ways. Growing more trees. The first point is we should grow more trees. Okay students, and we are growing. Make a motto like one member, one tree at home. If you are staying in an apartment where you don't have space, then you can plant one plant also in a pot. Okay students, one member, one plant or one tree. Okay. Developing irrigation facilities by building dams. We can store the water by developing dams, by constructing dams. That dam can be used to store water, and that water can be used for irrigation. Adopting modern techniques like rain water harvesting so that water storage in monsoon can be used in tough times. हमें मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. हमें रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का जो कंसेप्ट है, हमें उसे अप्लाई करना चाहिए कि जो भी बारिश का पानी है, we can store that, and in tough time we can use that water as well. Growing drought resistance proof crops like millet and maize and sorghum. Some crops are like कि उन्हें पानी कम मिले ना तो भी that crops can survive. So we should focus more on that type of crops during drought. Okay students? Spraying water on the bases of the plant so that less water is used. हमें ऐसे भी पानी नहीं डाल देना चाहिए. हमें वाटर को स्प्रे करना चाहिए प्लांट पे. इस तरीके से क्या होगा, हर एक लीफ को प्लांट पे पानी मिलेगा और पानी की बचत भी होगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल मूव टू आवर टॉपिक earthquake. Have you ever imagined an earthquake? Sorry, have you experienced an earthquake? If not, then imagine how it feels when the ground vibrates and the things around you will fall. You will around you like wall clocks, water in the jar, doors and walls shake. क्या कभी आपने earthquake को experience किया है? अगर नहीं किया, तो then talk to your parents. They might have experienced the earthquake that came in 2000 or 2001. Okay students, बहुत खतरनाक था earthquake. अगर आपने इमेजिन नहीं किया या आपने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया, तो जस्ट इमेजिन द सीन. आप अचानक से टीवी देख रहे हो और अचानक से नीचे का जो अर्थ है वो वाइब्रेट होने लगे, सब कुछ शेक होने लगे. आपके सामने जो रिमोट है वो टेबल से नीचे गिर जाए. आपके पास एक वाटर जार है वो नीचे गिर जाए. जो वॉल क्लॉक है वो वाइब्रेट होकर नीचे गिर जाए और इतना बड़ा वाइब्रेशन हो कि आजू बाजू की वॉल्स भी क्रैक होने लगे. जस्ट इमेजिन द सिचुएशन, हाउ वर्स्ट इट कुड बी. ओके, नाउ वी विल हैव अ लुक. This is because अर्थ सरफेस। कभी आपने सोचा कि वाइब्रेशंस क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द सर्टेन मूवमेंट्स अंडर द अर्थ सरफेस। ऐसे कुछ हलचल अर्थ के सरफेस के नीचे होना। These movements cause the vibration on the surface of the earth। नीचे जो अंडर द अर्थ सरफेस जो मूवमेंट्स हो रहे हैं उस चीज के कारण ऊपर वाइब्रेशन होते हैं। That's the reason we face earthquake. Okay? The earth experiences millions of the earthquake every year. Most of them are minor and so we do not feel them. Earth million of the earthquakes face करता है। कुछ minor होते हैं जो हमें फील नहीं होते और बहुत रेयर मेजर होते हैं जो हमारे अर्थ को बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं। Our houses, our property, vegetation, plants, animals, human, we also face that earthquake. But we get the experience strong one. Earthquakes are a natural disaster and take the human world by surprise. Earthquake comes like surprise. Suddenly you will feel the vibrations. They come without warning. They don't come with warning. They come without warning and are difficult to predict. इसे predict करना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है. The point where the earthquake originates is called the focus. From where the earthquake starts, that is known as focus. The point just above the focus is known as epicenter. एक point है यहाँ से earthquake शुरू हुआ है. This is known as focus. उसके just ऊपर होगा epicenter. Okay, students? The effect of an earthquake is maximum near the epicenter. सबसे ज़्यादा effect और सबसे ज़्यादा dangerous वो कहाँ पे होता है? epicenter पे. Okay, students? Earthquake can happen anywhere in the world, but the chances are more at the certain areas. Earthquake कहीं पर भी हो सकते हैं, but chances ना सबसे ज़्यादा होते हैं किसी certain areas पर. The Himalayan region in the North India experience the frequent earthquake. The Himalayan regions जहाँ पे ज़्यादा पहाड़ हैं, वहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा earthquake feel होते हैं. Earthquake also occur frequently in Japan and Philippines. Which two areas are there where the earthquake occurs frequently? That is Japan and Philippines. Okay, students? On 26 January 2001, there was a strong earthquake in Bhuj. See, just I was talking now. अब ये experience earthquake का आप अपने parents से पूछ सकते हैं. उन्होंने ये live experience किया होगा. कब आया था ये? 26 January 2001 में. It can come in the exam. It can come in exam Q. When the Bhuj faced the worst earthquake, you need to write the dates. Gujarat. Around 20,000 people died and 60 lakh were injured. 20,000 died and 16 lakh people were injured. The affected area was destroyed completely. जिस एरिया में आया था वो एरिया पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था. Japan is a country that experiences frequently earthquake. In Japan, schools train students to face the earthquake. Japan is an area जहाँ पर earthquake बहुत frequently आते हैं और जापान के अंदर स्कूल में बच्चों को ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है कि अगर earthquake आए तो आपको इस तरीके से फेस करना है. They practice hiding under the table and chairs to protect themselves. अगर कभी earthquake आता है तो आपके पास कोई टेबल है, आप उसके नीचे जाके छुप सकते हो. टेबल से क्या होगा कि अगर आसपास की कोई चीजें गिरेगी तो टेबल पर गिरेगी, बट आप सही सलामत रहोगे. ओके? During earthquake, recently the earthquake in Japan triggered a tsunami. एक earthquake था वो किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया? सुनामी के अंदर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? Now wait, hold on. You want to see the live how all this happened? Are you interested? Okay, so we will now watch a video that states that how the earthquake happens. अगर earthquake होता है तो क्या क्या destructions होते हैं. Okay students, are you ready to watch it? Let's start it. Students, let's watch the video.
earthquake? If not, then imagine how it feels.
See, this is a footage of a Nepal. See, the temple falls. सब इधर उधर भाग रहे थे, क्या हो रहा है? This is an actual footage of a shop. Earthquake आया, सब चीजें गिरती जा रही हैं. Have a look on this. यहाँ पर पूरी बिल्डिंग गिरती जा रही है earthquake आया.
Ground vibrates and things around you like wall blocks, water in the jar, doors and walls shake. This is because there are certain movements under the Earth's surface. These movements are called
Certain movements under the Earth's surface.
Yeah. The Earth experiences millions of earthquakes every year. Most of them are minor and so we do not feel them, but we get to experience the strong ones. Earthquakes are natural disasters. The point where the earthquake originates is called the focus. The point just above the focus.
See, we discussed right now. A point of focus में सबसे ज़्यादा होगा जहाँ से earthquake origin हुआ, that is known as point of focus. And सबसे ज़्यादा maximum कहाँ पे होगा? epicenter पर. Focus के exact ऊपर होगा epicenter. Okay, students, that's all for today. Here we complete the discussion of the earthquake. But hold on, I have something for you. Let's watch that. So, students, here are the questions of evaluation. Okay, students, you have to reply after watching the video. Okay, students, let's read one by one. Where does the dot take place? What causes vibration on the surface of the earth during earthquake? Fill in the blanks. The point where the earthquake originates is called dash. The point where the earthquake originates is called dash. Okay, students? The point just above the focus is known as epicenter. Remember? Okay, now let me ask you 1 to 2 questions. Okay? Your first question will be, where the major earthquake was faced in Kutch? Yes, the place is Bhuj. Very good. Which was the date of that major earthquake? Yes, 26 January 2001. You have to remember this. That's all for today, students. Here we complete the topic earthquake. Bye, students. God bless you.